Hey everybody, it's Mr. Eason here, and today we're going to talk about doing multiplication using an array model. The students in class have been using an app that lets them build arrays, and so if they want to continue to use that, you guys can definitely still use that. We downloaded the app on our Chromebook, and I'm also going to link it on Google Classroom in case you'd like to see that. But you can also do this without having to draw models. And so we're going to look at a couple of examples of how you can make these work without models. So I'm going to start by drawing it. I'm just going to draw a rectangle like an array here. And I'm going to split my array into two pieces. And my top number would be 16, but I'm going to split that up into 10 and 6. And my number on the side would be 5. And so all I'm doing is I am multiplying in two different arrays, and I'm going to add them up at the end. So this first array is going to be 10 times 5, which is 50. And my second array is going to be 6 times 5, which is 30. And then the last thing I do is I add up 50 plus 30, and I get 80 as an answer. We're going to look at another one, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with the number pieces, so the base 10 pieces. So the new equation I'd like to look at is something like 23 times 4. So all I would need to do again is to draw a model, draw myself an array, and I'm going to split it into two pieces. Two pieces represent the tens and the ones, so my tens is 20, and my ones place is 3. I'm going to multiply those both by 4. 20 times 4 is 80, and 3 times 4 is 12. I add those up. 80 plus 12 is 92. So now we're going to look at what it would look like with base 10 pieces that I had back here, 80 and 12. Kind of matches over here with that empty array. So here is our model built with base 10 pieces. And this is using that number pieces app that all the students downloaded onto their Chromebooks or can get from the link provided in Google Classroom. And if you'll notice, all I did was I made a 23 going across the top with 2 10s and 3 1s. And then I duplicated that 3 more times to make 4 groups of 23. This is pretty easy to count from here. I can count the 10s here, which are 80. I can count the ones over here, which are 12. And if you'll notice, that 80 and that 12 match the bottom. So this is just the visual representation of the concrete. But it's the same thing, and that does end up equaling 92. So, however the students want to do that, they can use the app, or they can use the drawings. Just make sure you show me some kind of work. We did the first one together on the screen, or on their papers, so they should be able to finish that up. This has been Mr. Eason with Homework Help. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.